Let's start from A to Z. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is awesome. Look at that red ant with an apple. B is for bear. B is for ball. Big brown bear is bouncing a blue ball. C is for cat. C is for car. Cool cat is cruising in a colorful car. D is for dog. D is for drum. Dancing dog is drumming to a happy tune. E is for elephant. E is for egg. Enormous elephant is holding a shiny egg. F is for frog. F is for flower. Funny frog is hopping over fragrant flowers. G is for giraffe. G is for gift. Gentle giraffe is giving a glittery gift. H is for hen. H is for hat. Happy hen is wearing a hilarious hat. I is for ice cream. I is for iguana. Icy iguana is licking a yummy ice cream. J is for jellyfish. J is for jam. Jiggly jellyfish is swimming with jars of jam. K is for kangaroo. K is for kite. Kind kangaroo is flying a colorful kite. L is for lion. L is for lemon. Laughing lion is squeezing a lemon for juice. M is for monkey. M is for moon. Mischievous monkey is hanging on the moon. N is for nightingale. N is for nest. Nice nightingale is singing in her nest. O is for owl. O is for orange. Old owl is reading with an orange beside him. P is for panda. P is for paint. Playful panda is painting pretty pictures. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Quiet queen is resting under her quilt. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. Running rabbit is racing under a rainbow. S is for snake. S is for star. Smiley snake is shining like a star. T is for tiger. T is for train. Ticklish tiger is riding a toy train. U is for unicorn. U is for umbrella. Unique unicorn is dancing under a rainbow umbrella. V is for vulture. V is for violin. Very cool vulture is playing the violin. W is for whale. W is for watermelon. Wonderful whale is enjoying a watermelon. X is for xylophone. X is for xenops. Excited xenops is playing the xylophone. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Young yak is spinning a yellow yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zipper. Zippy zebra is zipping up his jacket.